5 things about Bitcoin you can't ignore. Bitcoin has been called everything from the future of money to a passing fad. But here are 5 reasons why many people are considering it seriously. Reason 5. Scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. That fixed supply makes it fundamentally different from fiat currencies that can be printed endlessly. Reason 4. Global accessibility. Bitcoin runs on a decentralized network. Anyone with an internet connection can send or receive it. No banks, no borders. Reason 3. Hedge against inflation. In times of rising prices and money printing, some see Bitcoin as digital gold, a way to preserve value over time. Reason 2. Security. Bitcoin's blockchain is one of the most secure networks in the world, powered by thousands of computers, verifying every transaction. Reason 1. Growing adoption. From major corporations adding it to their balance sheets to countries exploring Bitcoin as legal tender, adoption is accelerating. The trend is moving toward the mainstream. So whether you believe it is the future of money or just a new kind of digital asset, Bitcoin is here to stay. Which reason makes the most sense to you? Comment below and follow BGBadger for more crypto insights.